everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you my version of broccoli casserole. This casserole is really delicious. You can actually make it the night before you want to cook it. If you are crunched for time and you have a lot of other things to prepare that day, you can make this ahead. So first off, I'm going to show you what goes in this. You're going to have 16 ounces of broccoli. Now today I used fresh broccoli, and you're going to go ahead and cook it in your microwave or a steamer and drain it, or you can use the frozen kind. You're going to also have a half a cup of mayonnaise and 1 can of cream and mushroom soup, a small onion chopped up, 1 egg that you're going to beat, and then a cup of shredded cheese of your choice. And then we're going to do salt and pepper to taste, and you're going to have Ritz crackers for the top and a little bit of butter to pat on the top. So next up, let me show you how we're going to mix this up. Okay everyone, we're going to go ahead and mix up our ingredients for our broccoli casserole. I'm going to start out with the soup, cream of mushroom, 1 can. And then you're going to put in your half a cup of mayonnaise. This is a real easy recipe also. If you like broccoli, you'll really like this one. Get all the mayonnaise out. All right, let's put in our egg, 1 egg beaten. And then our small onion chopped. And then we're gonna stir that up for a second. And then we're gonna go ahead and put in, I'm using sharp cheddar, and do about a cup. Or you can do more if you like a lot of cheese, in which case we do. So I'm gonna put probably a little bit more than a cup. And I'm gonna stir that up. And then I'm gonna add in salt and pepper to taste. And then next up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how I put it in the casserole to get it finished to go in the oven. So I'll be back in just a second with that. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and put in our broccoli casserole ingredients. So first off, I'm gonna use a 2.5 quart casserole dish. You're gonna wanna spray it. Use canola. And we're gonna take our broccoli that was already cooked, and we're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna do our mixture, and we're gonna pour it on top. This is actually a very good recipe. Like I said, if you're gonna have a lot of people over and you're having several dishes, this is a good side dish that goes with a lot of different meats. All right, so I'm gonna kind of just smooth it over the top of the broccoli so it'll cook down in. And then I'm gonna top it with a sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers. Those on. And then once we get these on, we're gonna dot it with some butter, and then we're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. So I'm gonna get this finished up, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, and then we'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay everyone, as you can see, I've taken out our broccoli casserole from the oven. And it is nice and hot, and it smells delicious. This is one of those great recipes. Like I said, you can make it ahead of time and then pop it in the oven while your other things are cooking. I hope that you enjoy this and that your family enjoys it. And I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll get notifications when I have new recipes on. So you have a great day, and thanks for watching.